10 integral aspects to build your self-esteem. Let me tell you a story about 10 important aspects of self-esteem. First, there's self-awareness. It's like having a map of yourself, knowing who you are, what you stand for, and what's important to you. When you're self-aware, you're better at making decisions that feel right for you, even when others don't agree. You can stick with your values and make choices that reflect them. Next is self-acceptance. It's like a foundation for building a healthy sense of self-worth. When you accept yourself, flaws and all, you recognize and appreciate your unique qualities, regardless of how society measures you. It's not about settling for mediocrity or ignoring your flaws, but accepting and embracing all aspects of yourself and recognizing your capacity for growth and change. Then there's self-confidence. This is the feeling of being comfortable and secure with your own abilities, personality, and opinions. It's about believing in yourself and knowing that you have the power to make positive changes and overcome obstacles. And it's also about being able to accept criticism from others without feeling attacked or defensive. Self-respect is another important ingredient to self-esteem. It's what allows you to feel worthy of respect from others. When you honor your needs, wants, and feelings, you're honest with yourself about what you want to know and how to achieve it. You treat yourself with respect, speak kindly to yourself, and avoid self-destructive behaviors. Have you ever felt like your life is out of your control and it's everyone else's fault? Well, that's where self-responsibility comes in. It's the realization that you have the power to take control of your life and the choices that you make. You understand that blaming others or external circumstances won't solve anything. Instead, you own up to your actions and take responsibility for your mistakes. It's not an easy task, but it's a crucial step in building self-esteem. Self-motivation is the fuel that keeps you going. It's the drive to continue doing what you need to do, even when things seem bleak. Staying motivated can be a challenge, but persisting and not giving up easily can pay off in the end. By improving your chances of reaching your goals, you also build resilience. Self-control is another essential attribute of self-esteem. It's the ability to exercise control over your actions and emotions instead of letting them control you. It's not just about restraint, it's also about being mindful of your behavior. It's about taking a pause and thinking through your decisions before acting on them. Self-discipline involves developing habits and routines that help you stay on track towards your goals. It's the ability to delay instant gratification and work towards a long-term goal. It's the key to overcoming procrastination and laziness and ultimately achieving success. Finally, self-assertiveness is a vital part of self-esteem. It's the ability to express yourself effectively, ask for what you want, and say no when you need to. It's about standing up for yourself, your rights, and your values. It's an important attribute to have, as it helps you navigate through life's challenges confidently. While building self-esteem takes time and patience, it's a worthwhile investment in yourself. As you develop a more positive self-image, you'll find that you're better able to handle life's challenges and pursue your goals with greater confidence and enthusiasm. So, if you're struggling with low self-esteem, remember that you have the power to change your self-perception, and that by taking small steps every day, you can create a brighter, more fulfilling future for yourself. Which of these integral aspects of self-esteem do you need to develop? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay empowered.